This is Digimon 301 from HMS Medical Systems. This is actually a third generation IFT, and this IFT is actually has a Russian and TENS built into it. So it has a total of 3 modalities: IFT, Russian and TENS built into it. So let's get into the accessories which comes with the machine. First is the power cable and straps and pouches for the electrode to give wet treatment, and 2 pairs of electrodes and 2 cables, so and a user manual, and you also get a gel along with the machine. So these are the accessories which will be provided with the machine out of the box. So now let's get to the functions of the machine and its unique features. Switching on the machine is very simple. You just have to plug in the power cable which is provided with the machine to the back, and there will be a power button to the back. You just have to switch it on, and now the machine is on. Now we'll get through the basic functionalities of the switches over here. So the up and down button are used to navigate through the main menu, as you can see, and the middle button is actually used to select the program, and this one to the left is to come back. This is the back button, and after selecting your desired program, this button over here is the start stop button to start the treatment and also to stop the treatment. So this is the basic functionalities of the switches over here, and these 2 switches, pairs of switches over here, are the intensity controller. So this one to the left is the intensity controller for channel 1, and to the right this one is the intensity controller for channel 2. So these are the basic functionalities of the switches with Digimon 301. And now let's get through the programs and its features. So first is the IFT in the main menu, and we'll go through it. It actually has 4 different modes, and with the 2-pole mode you can actually vary the intensity level for both the channels separately. So that is the main purpose of this machine, and its previous model didn't have that feature, and that's the upgrade with Digimon 301. So with the other 4-pole modes, both the channels have the same intensity, so you can't vary it separately with 4-pole mode, but with the 2-pole mode you can vary separately. So these features with the IFT mode. And next is the Russian current. So even with the Russian current you can vary the intensity level for both the channels separately as per your needs. And with the TENS, we provide you with 4 different modes: continuous, TENS burst, TENS sweep, and TENS burst and sweep combined. So even with the TENS you can control the intensity level for both the channels separately. So next is the pre-programs. So with the pre-programs we actually provide you with 55 pre-programs, bump up from a previous model which has only 35 pre-programs, so there is a bonus here. And next is the memory settings. We also provide you with 30 different memory settings which can be set by you according to your needs. All those 30 programs can be rewritten, so it's very simple and it's very handy to use. So next is the settings menu, where you have this 2 modes: cable test mode and electro test mode. Cable test mode is used to test your condition of the cable which you are using. So it will actually indicate whether if there is a wear and tear with the cable, so that can be detected with the cable test mode. And next is the electro test mode. Electro test mode is actually used to detect the conductivity of the electrode. So as the electrode ages, the conductivity might decrease, so this test can be used to determine your electrode's conductivity. So these are the features which are available with the Digimon 301. Now we'll get through the safety features which are available with the Digimon 301. So this Digimon 301 has some state-of-the-art safety feature, and there is the auto sensing feature of the electrode. What it does is actually whenever there is no skin contact with the electrode, the machine stops the treatment. So only after detecting the skin contact again, the machine will resume the treatment. So now we'll demonstrate you that. So it will actually work only after increasing the intensity to a certain level. Now I'm increasing the intensity level, and now after some time the machine will detect there is no skin contact, and it will intimate you just like this: channel 1 cable error. So it will indicate you the specific channel which is in not contact with the skin. So you can now after placing skin, we should actually press the start button. Now the treatment will resume. So now again you can start your treatment. So this is the safety feature. So This feature allows you so this is the safety feature available with this machine. So it actually prevents the sudden surge of power to the patient, which will actually prevent the patient from getting hurt. So this is very handy feature and will be helpful. So that's it about this machine. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if you are planning to buy this machine, then you are making the right choice, and if you have already bought it, then you have made the right choice. We hope to serve our best customer service to you. Thank you for watching.